Mind and man. Human personality can be determined by the quality and texture of the mind. Religions attempt to help us improve these. With the change in quality and texture of the mind, the state of mind improves. The discrimination becomes subtler, and as a result, our relationship with the objects and beings in the ever changing outer world improves. Our inner personalities are the essence of our mind intellect equipment. Our religious masters attempt to improve our personalities to bring about this change in the subtle body. First, we shall study and understand the nature, location, and function of this inner equipment in the human system. Mind is same in all living creatures. It is a seat of feelings and emotions. Animals also have these impulses. When they contact the world, these impulses are produced in the mind. We notice these in their worldly responses. A dog cannot determine or judge the intention before it takes action. Its action is a reaction to the impulse received. Man is different. He has the power of discrimination. He has the capacity to analyze. When he comes in contact with the objects, he is guided by this capacity instead of reaction caused by his feelings and impulses. This power of discrimination and judgment to separate right from wrong, to know what to do and what to avoid, is the function of the intellect. It is the duty of all human beings to develop this power of discrimination, a unique capacity. If it is not developed or it is neglected, then he acts like an animal and faces consequences. Today, in the modern civil society, most of our actions are arising from the mind. We are misled by feelings rather than guided by discrimination. Don't we hear people say, feel like doing it? Intellect is divorced from the mind, and hence there is hardly any proper thought given before taking action. Thus, actions undertaken on whims and fancies are dangerous for any healthy growth of the individual or the society. More in the next video.